welcome back today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. It is just below. And if you're a regular, come back. Hello, welcome back today. So today I will be testing out e.l.f.'s Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, look how pretty is the packaging. I absolutely love it. Just so simple and sleek. Oh, and look at these colours. Oh, they are pretty. So yeah, I can't wait to try it out. I won't forget this time to prime my eyes like I normally do. If I sound funny today, guys, I have a slight cold. I'm trying not to admit that I have a cold, but I sound funny. So yeah, and my nose is just running and everything else is not going to plan. And I can't breathe. So yeah, it's definitely a cold, which is great fun. So let's get into this video, guys, and show you kind of the eye look I am going to make with this eyeshadow palette. So firstly, before I put this on my eyes, I want to just swatch some of these colours. So I feel like I'm using these today. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. So I'm just going to go in. Oh, it's very silky. Let's have a look. Okay. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That came out pretty well. The annoying thing is these don't have names, so I'm very sorry. I'm not very good at describing things. They're very silky. Oh, that one's nice. So they're very smooth. I want to try this brownie colour. Oh, okay. It's not too bad. Pretty happy with how they swatch. They're very, very kind of, with matte, you need to blend them a lot and it kind of build them up, and that's how they work. They work much better at building than with like kind of shimmery ones. You just put it on and you've got it there. So that's the difference with matte, but I'm excited to use it. So let's put this on my eyes. I have already primed my eyes with Revolutions. I can't remember what one. I will link all the makeup that I am wearing today in the description box if you want to know. So you guys are now zoomed in. So I'm going to start with this colour right here, and that's going to go in my crease, and I'm just going to build it up. Pretty. Looks really like different on my camera to what it is on my eyes. It looks really funny on camera. I don't know whether it's just because of the screen I'm using. It looks so much brighter than what it is in real life, which is making me a little bit concerned. So now I'm going to go into this beautiful colour just here, and this is going to go on the lower bit, outer bit, lower bit, outer bit of my eyelids. I'm very bad at telling you guys where I'm putting it, so just see, I'm just not very good at this. But I'm still building it in my crease, just slightly. Oh, I love this colour. If you can hear popping, that's actually my candle. I don't know why, it makes funny noises. So now moving on, I am going to move into this beautiful colour. This is going to go in the middle bit of my eyelid, but I am bringing it all the way because I feel like the white will, well, the kind of creamier white will sit better. Now that's done, I am going to put this very pale colour in the corner of my eye. This is where I absolutely love it. I'm going to actually do this with my finger because I feel like this works so much better, especially with pale colours. Just, I don't know, it feels like it works better. absolutely love these colours. I don't know why on camera, like I keep saying, looks completely different. It might be just my screen that I'm looking at, it just makes it so, like, I don't know, it makes it brighter. Whereas at the moment it's kind of like a sunset kind of colour. It's very kind of simple, but on there, I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to line the bottom bit of my eyelids, and I'm going to go in with this colour. I'm just going to do a little bit of this one in the outer bit of the bottom bit of my eyelid. It's not that bright, but I don't know why. Just going to keep talking about it. So this is how I'm going to leave my eyeshadow. I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup and show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, so I finished my makeup for the day. Absolutely love it. This eyeshadow is just amazing. I'm so happy with it. The colours worked really well. They blended really nicely. There was no fallout. So now the test is to see how it lasts all day. Like, that's one thing. I've tested several eyeshadow palettes. One has actually failed me and I was like, oh my god, it's already gone. It's like, did not make it. It just, I don't know, all the colours like just blended together. It went patchy. It was very bad. Whereas this, I'm hoping will stay because I absolutely love it. But I know it's matte. I understand that, but I really want a shiny in there. I just love shiny colours. And I love to put shiny colours in the corner of my eye. I don't know why. I just like shiny things. I must be a magpie. Yes, but I absolutely love the packaging. The colour's really soft, really well to put on. It's very simple to use. And I love this noise. Oh, that is so satisfying. Satisfying. Should we try and talk? So good. The other week, actually, I was going to do a video of this, but I couldn't open it. So I was like, how can I do a video if I can't open it? But yeah. So let's go through the whole day and see how this lasts. You guys will be coming with me at certain points of the day to kind of check in and see what this makeup looks like. So it is 2 o'clock. How beautiful is the view? I'm in Guildford, but my eyeshadow is still on and it still looks absolutely amazing. Just finished shopping, so I'm on my way home. So let's see how it lasts in the evening and if it's still on. So it is now in the evening, around about 5 o'clock, and I need to take off my makeup because I'm going to go to the gym and I really can't wear makeup to the gym. But this eyeshadow from e.l.f. has really lasted. Oh my god, it hasn't come off. I did fall asleep for, I would say, I'm going to say 20 minutes, but it might have been longer. But it's still on, it hasn't smudged, it still looks great. Absolutely amazed with it. It lasts longer than my hair because my hair is just absolutely a mess. But it's time for me to take it off. Overall, I'm very happy with this eyeshadow palette. Loving the colours, loving how long it lasts. It's really, really good. Well, thanks for today, guys. If you like that video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. It is just below. Leave comments of what you thought of this eyeshadow look. Did you like it? Did you not? Or is there any other eyeshadow palettes that I should test out? Or if you just want to talk about makeup, comment below. Well, thanks for watching today, guys, and I hope you guys have a lovely day.